If you're looking for the simplest way to scale your Meta account for your Shopify brand, you have found the right video, because I'm showing you how in 7 days we have generated a 5x ROAS in a very simple ad account that you can follow along. If you're interested, let's get into it. Most of you who are watching this video are trying to figure out how to scale your ad account efficiently to get profit in your e-com brand. And there's so many videos out there, including mine, that are showing 7 and 8 figure ad account spends. And you're like, how do I get there? Well, luckily for you, I'm going to break it down for you in a very simple ad account that's only spending about 8 to 10K a month, 7-figure brand looking to scale now. And I want to show you our structure, our system that has generated a 5x in the first 14 days, absolutely crushing it. Let's hop into it. Guys, my name's Chris Morano. I'm the founder of Blue Water Marketing, an agency that scales e-com brands for 7 and 8 figure stores using Meta, Google, and Klaviyo. And if you're interested in learning all about what I just talked about, let's hop right into the ad account without further ado. Okay, so this is a 7-figure brand. They have built a phenomenal brand based on what they're selling. It's a CPG product, consumable. They are absolutely crushing it. And as you guys can see in this ad account, last 7 days, we've spent $2,100. Nothing. Generated $9,900 at a 4.65. If you look in the last 14, they have spent $3,700 for 15 at a 4.27. So what we did in this ad account, we first came in, did an audit. Now, there wasn't much that was working other than 2 ads. 2 ads are absolutely crushing. You can see right here, this campaign crushing it. So let's go back to January to just show you guys what's going on here. They were at a 10.63. I mean, just absolutely insane. A lot of brand, a lot of repeat customers. So we had to come in and really start segmenting out these different campaigns. Because if you don't have exclusions in your different campaigns, chances are you're paying for repeat customers over and over again. So we wanted to make sure that the focus is on new customer acquisition, their CAC. We know their LTV, determining how much can we acquire a new customer for to ensure that LTV remains as profitable as possible. So within the ad account, you guys can see January, we didn't have anything. This is a brand new account. So from February 1st until the 25th, you'll see that our test campaign, the same structure I tell you guys about all of the time, has now surpassed their evergreen ad. Now, you might be saying, well, performance is a little bit less, but if you look at like the first 14 days, we were at a terrible performance. We started excluding existing customers from their evergreen campaign. And as time goes on, guys, this is where patience becomes extremely important. We start going to a 2.85. And in the last week or so, we have now surpassed their previous top performing campaign. So you might be saying, well, how are you guys doing this? Well, that's what I'm here to break down for you. And if you're finding this video useful, hit thumbs up, subscribe, ask me any questions. I try to be an open book to all of you to help you guys get to the point where you have a 7 or 8 figure brand. I am here to help. So what we have is we have a number of different ABO ad sets going. We have 13 that we've tested in only 2 weeks, because we are testing rapidly, guys. That is the key to testing, is you have to be super efficient and run and gun. You guys can see some of these are performing not at the KPI we want to see at a 1.19. So honestly, right now, I'm actually going to turn that one off, just not at KPI. So it's bringing down the overall account efficiency. Let's just turn that one off completely. Let's look at last 7. Cost per purchase still in line, but like we're just going to turn that one off. If this is super complex, you have no idea what these metrics means, and you want my team to manage your ads, click the link down below in the comments, schedule a call with my team, see if we can help you scale your store. Let's get back into it. So you guys can see rapid testing is the key. So each of these have their very specific angle that we're hitting based on the benefits of this product and who it serves. From here, we have a number of very similar static ads with different messaging, taking a page out of Loop earplugs approach. Now, if you want to learn more about Loop, click this video right up here where I break down all of their messaging, their USPs, and who they're speaking to for each one. Absolute killer video. Check that out right up here. So going back, you guys can see we have a number of different ads, all of which are for different products with different callouts, essentially different hooks going out within these ads. And as you can also see, absolutely crushing from a messaging standpoint. 5.8, 7.29, 8.65. Now the volume isn't behind all of these yet because new client, we're trying to dip our toes, build the trust, and all of a sudden we can see phenomenal results that are now beating out the existing evergreen that historically over the last 12 months has not been able to be beat. Well, we beat it with statics, because our system that we put into these ad accounts have a direct correlation with the messaging that we are applying to the ads. I cannot stress this enough. The callouts or the hooks on your static ads need to be unique to a specific person. Isolate the benefit or the pain point or something that intrigues the consumer to say, I'm going to buy this to give this a try. And you can see we're running all creative tests right now because we're just dumping a whole lot of new ads into this ad account, not doing copy tests yet. But as we go through, we can quickly identify that this top one here is the winner. This will now be put into a new campaign, a scale campaign, with the post ID to continue to increase these budgets. Facebook ads don't have to be confusing from an ad account perspective. We have other accounts like this one over the last 7 days has spent $23,000. This account structure for a 8-figure brand is way different than the account structure of the one I just showed you for a small 7-figure brand looking to now take that next step. So when it comes to meta ads, watch my videos. Click this one up here where I break down the simplest structure that you guys can follow this, apply this to your ad account so you know what is going on that is generating the results for your store. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. We'll see you in the next video.